Alright class, it's time to turn to your page 269 in the math books. Oh, ding! Recess time! Yeah! Hey Mocha, do you like this new nighttime class? No. Hey, what are you going to do for recess? I am going to go to jump rope. So am I. You too, Milkshake? So is Snowy. So is Liza. So is Spotted. Not Spotty. I don't want to do that anymore. Okay. I guess that's fine. We're just going to use our imaginations to become pirates. On the SS Pillow. Yeah. Alright, Captain, it's rainy day today. Of course it is, or I'm going to stab you with your sword for being an inconvenient weirdo. Don't. Captain. Can we just start? Alright, matey. Fire at your gun points. We're trying to fight here. Yay. Yay! Ready? Fire at the enemy ships! Fire! 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 Just keep firing until we run out of ammo. Okay, we ran out. Okay, okay. Ring! Good job today in school, you guys. It's 8 o'clock p.m. Time to go home. Bye, I'll see you later. Now, introducing the Webkinz cast. Rocky the raccoon. Icicle, the white poodle. Liza, the leopard lizard. Tiger, the littlekins tiger. Mocha, the golden retriever. Speedy, the turtle. Flipper, the Webkinz penguin. Milkshake, the littlekins Dalmatian. Icy, the Webkinz seal. Spotty, the Webkinz leopard. Snowy, the Webkinz littlekins rabbit. And lastly, Basalt, the Webkinz gray Arabian.